Lake Italy's tourist gem. Como is the largest city on the shores of Lake Como. It's filled with historical and cultural landmarks like the Cathedral, Visconti Castle, and Madonna di Chiara Palace. Head to Bellagio, one of the most famous villages on the lake. Its colorful houses and breathtaking scenery make it a must-visit destination. Just 45 minutes away from Lake Como is Milan, the capital of the Lombardy region. Explore famous attractions like La Scala Opera House, Milan Cathedral, and Bergamo Tower. The reference material listed several activities to enjoy at Lake Como, including walking in coastal villages, boat trips, water sports, shopping, and dining. Lake Como is a charming tourist destination with stunning natural scenery, rich culture, and a fascinating history. If you're seeking a unique travel experience, Lake Como is the perfect choice for you.